It's a Top That Trade day. Joining us, our two favorite elves, pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com, and Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network news contributor, here for our trader game. Round number one, guys. What is your favorite stocking stuffer stock?
First off, we're not elves. We're both over 6'2". I did a little back-to-back one day because Phil thought he was taller than me. But as far as my stocking stuffer stocks, I'm going to stick with Apple. From risk reward, I think tech's got a lot more upside. Let's remember that the Dow over the course of the year just, has held ground pretty well, but the rest of the indexes haven't. So they've got some catch up to do. But I think Apple is where it's at here at this, here at these lower levels. It's got a lot of upside potential. And, if you look under the tree, there's going to be a lot of high products.
I hope Alan is filling my stocking this year, because Apple isn't exactly what I would call a stocking stuffer price-wise. So, man, he's got some pretty expensive stockings over there. I thought what we would look at is something that most people would put in their stocking, usually under $20, that has the potential to get a lot bigger. And that's one of the Canadian oil stocks that I've liked for a very, very long time, which is CVE, Cenovus Energy. I keep talking about this stock because the reason why I'm excited about it, not only do they produce Canadian oil, which is in strong demand right now, they do have some exposure to a refinery here in the United States.
Round number two. What's the better buy for Santa? Coal or gold?
Ooh, coal. Well, Santa took a big hit on coal this year. The naughty boys are getting off the hook this year. We're seeing it all over the place. In fact, the naughty boys are trying to be even naughtier to get more coal. But I actually I do think coal stocks are going to continue to soar this year. So I say stick to Arch Coal. That might be a good name for you.
I like gold. Gold broke out above 1,800, made a nice bottom base, and the dollar continues to decline. Now that we've kind of wrapped up our endpoint with rates. So, and I will like to point out that you can wear both gold and silver together. I know it used to be a faux pas when Phil and I were younger, but people do it nowadays. So I pick both gold and silver, and I wear them at the same time.
Round number three. Pick your favorite last-minute holiday gift. Will it be bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs?
I'll pick ETFs because I like the way they function, and you can use those for long-term gains. But I think the best gift for people would be a little bit of perspective and maybe some puts so they can sleep well and enjoy the new year and have insurance on the downside in case the market goes down.
I think bonds are it, and this is a great gift for children every year, even though they look at you kind of funny when they open it up like, thanks, Uncle Phil. Throw in a toy just to soften it up. But this is a great time of year to teach your children how to invest for the future. They may look at you funny now, but when they get older, they're going to thank you.
Here's your bonus round question for today. It's ticker time. Are the following tickers true, or are the following tickers false? Gift, Grinch, and Santa.
How do you spell Santa?
Santa, as in Santa.
So I think they're all false.
I agree with Alan.
Great job, guys. You are both winners. We wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
And Happy New Year.
Business First AM will be right back. Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.